In this video, I have a set of absolute value functions that we're going to graph, and we want to figure out what happens when we add and subtract inside the absolute value bars. I found a website that uses an animation to kind of describe these adjustments, whether it's going to shift up, down, left, or right. And in this animation, the author has a line that's already graphed, our standard absolute value of x at the origin 0, 0. That's in red, and that's the same thing that we have with my green graph right here. That's the same one. Now, our c value in his formula is going to be the number that we're going to adjust inside the absolute value. So right now, we are subtracting 3. Okay, if we change it to subtracting 2, it looks like it shifts a little bit. Subtracting 1, it shifts more. At 0, it's right in the origin, so nothing's happening. If we add 1, it goes farther to our left. If we add 2, it goes farther to our left even more. So it seems like adding and subtracting inside the absolute value bars move this left and right. And then whenever we add 2, like we want in our problem, it looks like it shifts to the left too. So adding will shift to the left, and then subtracting will shift to our right. So let's figure out what we want to do here. We've got addition, so it looks like we're going to want to shift to our left, and because it's 2, we want to shift twice. So this will be our red graph, and if I'm shifting to our left, our origin is going to be right here. And then our slope of this line is still up 1 over 1. I'm going to graph one more line from here. The slope is going to be up 1 over 1 again, and there's how our graph will look. Our red one is g of x. Alright, let's go to like a blue color. This will be if we're subtracting 3. So it looks like if we added 2, it moves to our left. So, oops, I don't want that color to change. There we go. So now if we are subtracting 3, we're going to want to move to our right 3. So 1, 2, 3, and our slope is still going to be up 1 over 1, and then we're going to want to go back this way, and there is our other line. Okay, so we have the shifting of the absolute value graph to our left and to the right. Adding moves to our left, subtracting moves to our